Welcome back to Road Warriors. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and buckle up, because today we're talking about something a lot of people have been waiting for. This right here is the 2026 Subaru Baja, and yes, the iconic crossover pickup fusion is finally making a comeback. But this time, it's not just back for nostalgia. Subaru came prepared to compete. Right from the start, the Baja makes a statement. The exterior design blends the familiar Subaru DNA with a bold, new truck-like stance. The front end features a large hexagonal grille, aggressive C-clamp LED headlights, and muscular lines that give it some serious attitude. It's sporty, functional, and unmistakably Subaru. Whether you're parked outside the office or pulling into a trailhead, it fits right in. It rides on 18 or 20-inch wheels depending on trim and offers about 9 inches of ground clearance, giving it enough lift to tackle light off-roading without compromising daily drivability. Inside the cabin, Subaru has stepped things up a notch. The interior is cleaner and more refined than ever, with soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and supportive seats that make long drives a breeze. Dual 12.3-inch displays provide a digital cockpit feel, one for the gauges and another for infotainment. The screen layout is sleek and user-friendly, with responsive menus, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus optional built-in navigation and a premium Harman Kardon audio system that truly sounds fantastic. Under the hood, the Baja gives you two engine choices. The base 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder delivers a respectable 182 horsepower, but the real magic happens when you opt for the turbocharged 2.4-liter engine. With 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque, it's got the grunt to handle weekend getaways, light towing, and spirited highway merging with confidence. Power is delivered through Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, paired with a refined CDT that mimics traditional gear shifts. The Baja also tows up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped, which is solid for its class. Then there's the utility side of things. The rear cargo bed measures 4.5 feet, not massive, but totally usable. It's made of durable composite material and includes cargo tie-downs, a multi-position tailgate, and an optional sliding tonneau cover. Need to carry bikes, skis, or a rooftop tent? The roof rails and gear carriers have you covered. Safety tech is also strong here. Subaru's updated EyeSight 4.0 driver assist system is standard, with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking. There's also an available 360-degree camera, reverse automatic braking, and parking sensors to make tight spaces easier to navigate. Starting at around $33,000 and topping out near $44,000 for the fully loaded trim, the Baja offers a strong value proposition for drivers who want something versatile, capable, and different. So, what do you think? Would